Hi students, good morning to one and all. So now I am going to taking the online class on the investment decision, the project management. So now in the last class we discussed related the future value of money. So now this is the second one, techniques of the time value of money, which is the present value of money. So it means it's defined as the process of determining the present value of a payment or a stream of payments, which is likely to be the value of payments or a stream of payments which is likely to be what received at the future. Okay, so it means it just see the given the time value of money, a rupee is worth more today than it would be the worth tomorrow. Okay, so it means what the same, the whatever you are having the money in today, just it is more worth than the whatever you are going to receive the tomorrow. Okay, so as well as just this present value of this concept, no, it is actually it's opposite of the compounding interest techniques. Okay, so that's why it is known as the present value of money. So how it's calculate the present value of money, the formula is there. So what's the formula? The present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. So this is the formula for the calculation of the present value of money. So you know that the PV stands for the present value and the FV stands for the future value is given in the problem. So R stands for the rate of interest. So this rate of interest we have to convert into the decimal, and so N stands for the number of years which discounting is done. Okay, so you know that whatever in the last class we saw the related the future value of money. So some techniques there were, so like this, in this present value of money, for this purpose also techniques are there. So which is that the present value of a single cash flow and the present value of uneven cash flow streams and the present value of annuity series of equal future cash flows, and the last one is the present value of a perpetuity. So out of these only the two are the important, which is the present value of single cash flows and the present value of annuity. Okay, otherwise the series of equal future cash flows. So these two techniques are more important. So in this, so now see, this is the first one, is what's the present value of a single cash flow. So if for this the simple formula we have to use for this present value of a single cash flow. So which is that PV is equal to future value in bracket 1 divided by 1 plus r raised to n, or you can use this formula the simple, which is the present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus r raised to n. Okay, so this formula you have to use, and how to use this raised to power n or raised to n or the power of n, you know that how to calculate. Okay, so in the earlier while calculating the future, so we are making that the in double, we are pressing the 2 multiplication sign, but in this case it is the divided by, no, so you have to future value divided by, you have to multiply 2 times and then you have to use this formula. Okay, so for the calculation of the present value, so now see how to use this formula. This is the one small example is there. Calculate the present value from the following data. A person will receive rupees 3000 after 8 years. Okay, the discount rate is 10%. Okay, after, it means what's one person is there and the person will receive 3000 after 8 years. Okay, after 8 years he is going to receive 3000, but how many rupees the present value or the how many rupees of the he is investing. Okay, so the discounting rate is what, 10%. Okay, so now use this formula. Solution: present value is equal to future value in bracket 1 divided by 1 plus r raised to n. Okay, you know that this FV stands for the future value. Okay, and the future value is given in the problem rupees 3000. Okay, next 1 as it is, you have to take 1 as it is plus r value is given, what's the 10%. Okay, so the 10% you have to convert into decimal points. Okay, 0.10, and the n stands for the number of years which is discounting is done. Okay, so now this n stands for the number of years for the 8 years. Okay, so now put into this formula. So present value is equal to future value, it's a 3000 in bracket 1 divided by 1 plus 0.10 raised to 8. Okay, so first of all do this 1 divided by 1 plus 10, you will get the 0.4. it means what's after finding the raised to 8, you will get the 0.46651. now this you have to multiply by this 3000. okay, so you will get the what's the 1 point sorry this 1.3 sorry, you will get the answer 1399, or in the round figure it's a 1400. like this it means for the it is the present value of the of that 3000 after they are going to receive this 3000. okay, so